everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to make your AirPods even louder when they're connected to your iPhone. So the first thing we want to do is just to check the volume. Swipe on down from the top right corner and make sure the volume is up right here. And we can always hold on this and we can see the noise cancelling options if we have the Pro version. Well, let's go to settings right here now and scroll on down and go to where it says sound and haptics. Then go to headphone safety and make sure reduce loud sounds is turned off. So it looks like it's turned off for me. Let's go back and go to the main settings menu and then scroll on down to the accessibility settings. It's like this. Now scroll on down under here and we are looking for a specific option called audio and visual. Then at the top, go to Headphone Accommodations and turn this on. And it's on. Then we can go to these different audio tunes. So the first one is going to be the default one called Balanced, but we can go to Vocal Range. Optimize for vocal range will boost middle frequencies, otherwise we have brightness. Brightness will boost high frequencies. So we can decide which one we want. And then we go to slight and we can bring it on over to strong right here. And that will increase the audio in your AirPods. So just check this out and you should be good to go. Slide this to the right. And hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.